Welcome back. In this video you will see how to create your first quiz. First, you must click on the Add Quiz button and then create a new quiz. Now we can see that we have already reached the screen where you enter the content to create a quiz. On the middle of the screen we can see a preview bar in which we can have a preview of how this content will look for the users who interact with the content of your company. To build a quiz, we'll have to start with the general information such as the title, the icon that will represent this quiz, the position in which your quiz will be placed inside your content, the description of the topic, the minimum rate to pass the quiz at the time of playing, the difficulty level, and finally the subcategory to which this quiz belongs. Remember that the subcategories are subtopics that you defined previously and that they will be displayed in this way either in the app or the web version. Once you have finished configuring the general information, the next step is to create the questions in the quiz information. Remember that each quiz has a maximum limit of 10 questions. To create your first question, you must choose the type of question. To learn more about this, you can consult the following question button, in which you can see the different designs that represent each type of question. Once you're clear about the type of the question you will use for your first question, you have to select it and then customize it with the details, its respective alternatives, and an illustration if required. Remember that each question must have one correct answer. To choose, you must click on the checkbox that represents the correct alternative. As you can see, the whole process of creating quizzes and questions is 100% visible on the preview screen on the right. To add new questions to your quiz, simply click on Add Question and you will be able to continue creating your content in seconds. In case you want to remove a question from your quiz, click on the Delete button. The same applies if you want to delete an alternative. Once you have finished the process of creating your first quiz, click on Create Quiz and your quiz will be available to users who connect to your company code either in the LearnU app or web version. In the quiz's overview, you will see all the information regarding your created quiz, such as the illustration that represents your quiz, the title, the subtitle, the number of players that have solved your quiz, the click to hide or activate this quiz for the users connected to your code button, and finally different actions such as edit and delete the quiz, and soon automated marketing actions to notify your users about the new content you created. Remember, if you have any questions about this module or about LearnU, feel free to contact us at any time via the support chat. We will respond to your queries within minutes.